While playing the Destiny 2 game on Windows 10 PC, suddenly got stumble upon an error: Destiny 2 servers are not available. And unable to play the game. Also restarting the game won't works for you. Wondering what to do now? Well, don't worry, as Destiny 2 server issue is a common problem that various gamers are struggling with. So today, in this video, learn how to fix Destiny 2 servers are not available error. Method 1. Try connecting to server with different time frame. Try to connect to the Destiny servers in the different time frames, as there is a possibility that the plenty of users are using same Destiny server. So, try connecting to different Destiny 2 servers with different time frames. And if still after so many trials you are getting the Destiny 2 servers are not available error, then head to the second method. Method 2. Disable DHCP for your connection. Right-click on the network icon at the bottom right corner on your desktop, and click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click on the connection you're currently using, and click Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. In the new pop-up pane, select Use the following IP address and use the following DNS server addresses. Then enter the IP address and DNS server addresses manually. Click OK to save. Restart your computer and open Destiny 2 to see if it works. Method 3. Use the Ethernet connection. Right-click on the network icon at the bottom right corner on your desktop, and click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click on the connections that you're not using, and select Disable. You'll need to repeat this step for any other connection. Restart the game and see if it works. Method 4. Reset TCP IP address. In the search box, type CMD, and from the search result, right-click on Command Prompt, Run as Administrator. Then in the Command Prompt window, type Command, netsh winsock reset, hit Enter. And restart your system to save the changes. Method 5. Update your network card driver. Manually update the driver. In the search box, type Device Manager, and from the search result, select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand Network Adapters category. Find and right-click your network adapter in the list and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Just follow the instructions as they appear to complete the driver update process. If you don't have time or patience, you can do it automatically with Driver Easy. Driver Easy will automatically recognize your system and find the correct drivers for it. You don't need to know exactly what system your computer is running, you don't need to risk downloading and installing the wrong driver, and you don't need to worry about making a mistake when installing. Method 6. Turn on Network Discovery. Open Control Panel and choose Network and Internet category. Click Network and Sharing Center. Choose Change Advanced Sharing Settings in the left pane. Expand Private Network Profile and check Turn on Network Discovery in Network Discovery section. Make sure the option Turn on Automatic Setup of Network Connected Devices is checked. Click Save Changes button to confirm the operation.